I know it's absolutely atrocious to sort of standing between you and the lunch, but I'll sort of breeze through it, just about 8-10 minutes. And what I'm going to talk about is not some theoretical gyan, but what we at Flipkart are executing with passion. Can you roll up the slides, please? So that's commerce advertising, cracking the shopper genome. I've just got like 4-5 slides over here, and I'm quickly sort of going to share in terms of what kind of solutions and products we are building and how exactly we are executing day in and day out about it. Keep rolling, please. Yeah, just next slide. So before I get into the commerce advertising, let me give a quick definition of it. Basically, commerce advertising stands at the intersection of consumer and marketeer. So when, as a consumer, I go into a shop, it could be an online or an offline, there is swathes of data sort of that I leave behind. And then as a marketeer, I'm interested in reaching out to that particular consumer with a lot of insights that particular consumer has given to me. Now what we try to do is that basically through commerce advertising, we help marketeers to sort of achieve these 4 variables in terms of uplifting the awareness for their brand, in terms of creating more engagement, in terms of making consumer consider their products or services, and obviously at the end of the day, buy it. Now if you look at what happens is as a shopper, let's say and I'm using Flipkart as a case in point because that's what we are implementing, so it becomes far more natural to sort of talk about that. So as a shopper, when I go on to, let's say, Flipkart, it's not necessarily that I'm buying products all the time, but there are a lot of browsing that I do over a period of time, and that browsing data helps an organization or a commerce platform like Flipkart to do a lot of profiling for me as a consumer. And why, as a Flipkart, we are able to do it. The next slide sort of talks about some of the very interesting data points that you would be interested in. Yeah. So today we have about 10 million daily active users. There are about 10 million people who are coming on Flipkart on a daily basis who are browsing or buying some product or services. Those 10 million consumers are spending about 1.6 million hours. That translates into 9.6 minutes per user per day. And that's an incredible amount of time that a consumer is spending on a platform like Flipkart. Now, as I said earlier, what it does is that it gives us an opportunity to understand our consumer in a far more better way and creates an opportunity for us to tell a marketer that, hey, here is a consumer who has been spending like, let's say, 9.6 minutes on our platform, and he's a consumer who is interested in so many things. A case in point, for example, last week, I bought a book for my kid who is in 7th grade for mathematics and science. About 2 months ago, I bought a t-shirt for a kid who is in the age group of 12 to 14. Now just imagine over a period of time, Flipkart can bundle offers for me around textbooks, Flipkart can bundle offer for me around apparels, and lot more things. And that's the kind of power that this data gives to build a commerce advertising platform. These are the 4 things that basically we help marketeers achieve. Awareness, it's a very simple thing. You sort of place an ad in front of the consumer. The next is in terms of engagement. What are the click-through rates? What are the engagement rates for the product or a category that a consumer has browsed? The third is the consideration, whether your product has been added to a wish list or whether it has been liked on the platform or whether it has been added to a, let's say, a shopping cart as well. And obviously the last step, which is like a purchase. From a brand point of view, let me just take a very simple case. Let's say there is an ABC Clothing Private Limited which wants to launch something called Amazing Lines of Apparels. Now for doing this, they can use a commerce platform like us on each of the stages in terms of launching the product, in terms of creating an awareness, in terms of boosting the sales. Each of these things can be done, and this is exactly how you can do it. So if you have got a Flipkart app, I know the MC in the morning said, hey, keep your hands off mobile phones. But if you have a smartphone, you can fire a Flipkart app, and on the top you would see beautiful ads being creating, which I call a very, very engaging and mesmerizing experience that this ad offers. So that's the first ad unit that we give to marketeers to sort of reach out to the audience. And here is the second one. Now this is something which we have done in-house. Lot of, as someone said, you have to sort of do a lot of study. So a lot of deep thought has gone in terms of creating what we call brand stories. What we have done here primarily is that you get 4 frames stitched together and offered as a story. So again, this particular format is available on Flipkart app. All what I'm talking about is sort of executed. It's not something which is again a theoretical thing, but something that we have executed. If you fire an app today, you will see some of the ads over there as part of the brand stories. And here the brand gets an opportunity to reach out to those 10 million daily active users, high transacting, highly engaged users who are coming on a Flipkart platform day in and day out. So while these are some of the things that we have already done, but I also want to give a quick preview of what you can expect over next couple of months or quarter. This is one of the key products that we are working on as part of the ads group, what we call as a full funnel measurement or a full funnel attribution. What it means is that on those 4 matrix which I talked about in terms of awareness, in terms of engagement, in terms of consideration, in terms of purchase. So imagine as a marketer, if you say, hey, I have got, let's say, $10 million to spend. I want to launch my new line of clothing in India, reaching out to this particular target segment. How do I sort of, break up my budget so that I can see an uplift on each of these matrices that you talked about? And then what we are also trying to do is then create some kind of a brand index where, let's say, if you are a clothing a brand, how do you stand on Flipkart vis-a-vis that particular category? So there are a lot of interesting stuff which we are going to sort of come out as part of our full funnel measurement so that brand clearly knows how much they are spending and what's the kind of return that they are getting on the money that they are spending. The next interesting thing, which again I am sort of, it's with proudly I can say that I am driving, is the fact that we are building a good audience network. What that means is that while we have 10 million daily active users who are coming on Flipkart, we have about 75 million unique users who have been on the Flipkart platform. These audiences also go to other digital destinations. So what Girish talked about, they have a Maxter as a platform, and there are a lot of other, let's say, news sites, there are other apps on which these users are going. Now the same user, I as a Krishna Kumar, when I go on to some other platform, a lot of interesting things that I do. Typically, if you look at what are the 3 things that any human being does, he wants to get entertained, he wants to get informed, and he wants to buy products or services. And that's exactly what we do in our life when we go on various digital destinations. Now, when I as a person go on any other platform, whatever transactions or whatever interactions that I'm doing on that particular platform, can Flipkart reach out to me through one of the brands that wants to sort of promote on Flipkart? And it's a very interesting concept that we are building. Again, on both this thing, that is the full funnel measurement, and again on the shopper audience network, we are already in POC. We are working with some of the very select partners in India. So all these things that I'm talking about is not some kind of a mumbo jumbo, which is a theoretical, which is all like executed with passion, built with passion. Brands are spending tons of money on our platform, realizing the results that they are looking at. So with that, I sort of quickly bring an end to my conversation. Anyone who is interested to know more about it can drop me a mail. It's a very simple mail ID, kk@flipkart.com. I'm available here for conversations, for questions. So thank you very much.